Business laptops have traditionally been boring. For years, the formula was simple: decent performance, good battery life, plenty of security features, and a design that practically disappears into a boardroom. But as work continues to evolve, so do the demands placed on our devices. Today's professionals aren't just answering emails and editing spreadsheets. They're hopping between video conferences, creating presentations, analyzing data, collaborating across continents, and increasingly relying on AI-powered tools to help get the work done faster. That's where the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra comes in. Positioned as the flagship of the ASUS ExpertBook lineup, this is a premium Copilot Plus PC designed specifically for modern professionals who need performance, security, portability, and AI capabilities all wrapped into a single device. Powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processor featuring a stunning 3K tandem OLED display, enterprise-grade security through ASUS Expert Guardian, and a suite of AI-powered productivity tools under ASUS MyExpert, the ExpertBook Ultra aims to redefine what a business laptop can be. After spending several weeks with it so far, it's clear ASUS isn't simply building another corporate laptop. They're building a flagship Ultrabook for business owners and CEO-level management. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that stands out about the ExpertBook Ultra is its minimalist and classy aesthetic. Available in Morn Gray, the laptop strikes an excellent balance between professionalism and premium design. The all-metal chassis feels exceptionally rigid and well-built, with practically no flex anywhere. Whether carrying it between meetings or opening it one-handed on a desk, the machine feels reassuringly solid. Yet, despite its durability, portability remains one of its biggest strengths. At approximately 1.09 kilos and measuring just under 15 millimeters thin, the ExpertBook Ultra is remarkably easy to carry around anywhere. Whether we're moving between conference rooms, working remotely from a cafe, a park bench, or traveling frequently for business, it's a machine that never feels cumbersome. ASUS also backs those durability claims with military-grade testing, giving additional peace of mind for professionals who rely on their laptops every day. Which means if your favorite kid starts drawing on the lid, no problem. Oh no, we left it on the floor in a busy area? It can handle it. Even spilling our favorite drink on the keyboard deck is a non-issue. The hinge feels smooth yet sturdy, while the minimalist design ensures the laptop looks equally appropriate in a client presentation, executive meeting, airport lounge, or home office setup. In a market where many premium laptops prioritize aesthetics over practicality, ASUS manages to deliver both. One area where ASUS continues to impress is connectivity. Despite its thin profile, the ExpertBook Ultra includes a surprisingly practical port selection. We get two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, which both get display out and power delivery, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, an HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. While some users may still wish for built-in Ethernet, the overall port selection covers most modern workflows without immediately reaching for a dongle. But unlike the Zephyrus G16 or ProArt P16, ASUS managed to include the very dongle I'm talking about in the box. Wireless connectivity is equally future-ready with support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. And during our testing, wireless performance remained fast and reliable whether handling cloud-based workflows, large file transfers, or long video calls. The display is easily one of the standout features of the ExpertBook Ultra. ASUS equips this laptop with a 14-inch 3K tandem OLED panel with an up to 120Hz refresh rate, touch support, and 100% coverage of the DCI-P3 and sRGB color gamut with Pantone validation. However, it does sport an anti-glare layer too, which depending on who you are might not suit your preference. Apart from that, it looks fantastic. Text appears incredibly sharp, colors are vibrant without feeling exaggerated, and despite the 1400 nits of brightness for HDR, contrast is a little bit sideswept by that matte anti-glare layer. It's also worth noting that the display's anti-glare layer comes from Corning, the same Corning that also allowed ASUS to equip this display with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. For productivity, the 16:10 aspect ratio provides additional vertical workspace, which proves particularly useful when working with documents, spreadsheets, or web-based applications. Meanwhile, media consumption benefits tremendously from the amazing Dolby Atmos tuned 6-speaker system that delivers rich sound for a laptop of this size. Voices remain clear during meetings, while music and video content sound full enough that external speakers often feel unnecessary unless we want more bass. Typing on the ExpertBook Ultra feels immediately familiar. The chiclet-style keyboard offers good key travel, excellent spacing, and a comfortable typing experience that supports long work sessions without fatigue. Whether writing reports, responding to emails, or preparing presentations, the keyboard consistently feels great. Naturally, being a Copilot Plus PC, there's also a dedicated Copilot key, providing quick access to Microsoft's AI assistant. Something surprisingly noteworthy here is the glass touchpad. It's large for the laptop size, responsive, and precise, making navigation feel effortless even when working away from a desk. Palm rejection is excellent. Windows trackpad gestures work consistently, and overall usability is exactly what we'd expect from a flagship productivity machine. For software, it runs on Windows 11 Pro out of the box. It's pretty typical Windows if you ask me. AI has a key role in the overall experience. The ExpertBook Ultra combines Microsoft's Copilot Plus capabilities with ASUS's own suite of AI-powered business tools under ASUS My Expert. This includes features like AI Expert Meet, AI Writer, and Mailmaster, although the last two are guarded behind a paywall. With AI Expert Meet, we can record our video meetings or upload videos or even audio files later on to create summaries, live transcriptions, and translate foreign languages. We can even use the ASUS Expert Panel for live AI translated subtitles, although they have yet to add Tagalog or Filipino in its database. More importantly, many of these features operate locally thanks to the integrated NPU, helping improve both responsiveness and privacy. ASUS also bundles Expert Guardian, its enterprise-focused security platform that combines hardware and software protections designed to safeguard sensitive business data. This isn't an application, by the way. It's a hardware-level security suite built to give users peace of mind from stuff like BIOS errors. It's also built for organizations concerned about cybersecurity, privacy, and long-term device management. Running the show of the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra is an Intel Core Ultra X7 358H processor paired with Intel Arc B390 graphics and an Intel AI Boost NPU. Our review unit came configured with 64GB of LPDDR5X memory and a 2TB PCIe 4 SSD. For productivity workloads, performance is excellent. The laptop handles multitasking effortlessly. Whether juggling dozens of browser tabs, large spreadsheets, PowerPoints, video conferencing applications, or multiple productivity tools simultaneously. Storage performance is equally impressive, with the 2TB PCIe 4 SSD delivering fast boot times, quick application launches, and responsive file transfers. While this isn't a gaming laptop, the integrated Intel Arc graphics is more than capable for accelerating productivity applications, media workloads, and light creative tasks, like editing some short-form content here and there. Is it something that can replace a dedicated creative productivity workstation? Probably not. But for number crunchers and spreadsheet pros, and business people always going in and out of video conferences, the ExpertBook Ultra feels consistently fast throughout daily use. And for those of you interested in our benchmark numbers, here they are on screen. As work increasingly revolves around virtual collaboration, webcam quality matters more than ever. The ExpertBook Ultra sports a Full HD or 1080p webcam with AI image upscaling of up to 5 megapixels, and it features a privacy cover. This is a video sample using the webcam of the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra. For biometrics, there's also infrared support for Windows Hello and even a fingerprint sensor that doubles as the power button. Both of which work pretty well, but we did tend to use the fingerprint scanner more, especially before we improved facial recognition. Battery life is another area where the ExpertBook Ultra excels. The laptop features a pretty large 70 watt-hour battery paired with Intel's latest efficiency-focused architecture, helping it comfortably last throughout a full workday under typical productivity workloads. We easily got 10 to 12 hours of screen-on time off a single charge, distributed between 2 days. Spent solely working on documents and spreadsheets, web research, and consuming audio and video content here and there. Obviously, locked in working on high production value TikToks all day or binge watching shows with the volume maxed out for more than a couple hours can drain the battery quicker like any other machine. Luckily, fast charging support further improves convenience for professionals who spend significant time on the move with the included 90-watt USB Type-C power delivery adapter. Ultimately, the battery performance complements the laptop's mobility-focused design extremely well. In conclusion, the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra isn't trying to be everything for everyone. Instead, it focuses on delivering exactly what modern professionals need: strong business professional performance, exceptional portability, premium build quality, enterprise-grade security, excellent battery life, and useful AI features. The result is one of the most complete business laptops ASUS has ever produced. Its gorgeous tandem OLED display makes long work sessions enjoyable, the performance is more than sufficient for professional workloads, and the AI-focused software suite is there if you need it. Most importantly, it succeeds in making a business laptop feel worth looking into. If you're an executive, entrepreneur, consultant, enterprise professional, or simply someone looking for a premium business productivity machine, the ExpertBook Ultra makes a compelling case for itself. But what do you guys think of the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra? Is it time to toss away the ThinkPad and get this instead? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, educational, or helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra, Miguel T, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.